India. Mostly people, if they are fail in the exam, so definitely good thing, but it is not always a good thing because every society like the three idiots you can see and the toilet ek prem khata, as you know about it. We don't see traditions. We only see the loss of the things. What's going economically not strong. Make a Western culture because we can become a good person in future time. So that's why we should not against of that. But first thing is that.
So very good morning to all of you. Good morning. So as you know, today's we are here to playing a debate, and today we all are sitting over here, and I am a student of this institute. My name is Prashant Rawat, and today our topic is movies should be watched or not.
So yes, as you said that we should watch the movie. You were talking about the previous era. You don't know about the present era. What's happening here? The people are learning different kind of thing. The student, they are just learning that how to use a knife, and they are just misusing they are getting a different kind of thing which is totally negative from that movie, which is not good for our generation. In fact, whatever the things they are learning, they are not getting educated from that. They are just doing kind of thing that yes, I agree that there are some kind of thing by that we can learn, but the animal kind of movie and they are so on movie by which they are just learning misusing that they are becoming criminal and so on kind of things.
Okay, the thing is that, ma'am, yeah, you talk about the animal movie. Yes, the animal movie is not good. We all know about that. So why you are watching that kind of movie? So you can watch some kind of knowledgeable movie. Like we can take the example of the Chichor movie. In that movie, what they are teaching, don't do suicide kind of things, because mostly that kind of cases comes in our India. Mostly people, if they are fail in the exam, so definitely they do some kind of suicide kind of thing. So watch that kind of things which give the knowledge. Like take the example of the Three Idiot movie. What you learn in that movie, you can learn so many things. The degree is not important, the knowledge is important. If you have a knowledge, so you can do so many things. So watch that kind of movie which you give the some kind of knowledge to everyone, and watch that kind of movie which give some kind of like awareness kind of things, which give the awareness kind of things.
So I think watching movie is a good thing, but it is not always a good thing, because everything has a two side, and movies has also two side. If you see some good movies, there are also bad movies, like the recently movie Animal. We love the character, we all love the character, that's why we want to become that character. And whenever we see movies like violence, and if you watch in the 90s, there's a movie called Dar, and at that time the people were very interested in that movie, and they want to do the same thing in that time. So I think watching movie is a waste of time. You can learn from your basic life, the way you live, and watching movie is just a waste of time, because it just give you a false example of the life. It doesn't show you the reality of the world. That's why my opinion, and I think we should not watch it.
Actually, sir, I am not I am very disappointed from your side, because movies just a source of entertainment. Don't be against it. And like there's a lots of movies which we can see, and we can aware about the society, like the three idiots you can see, and the toilet ek prem khata, as you know about it. And the other thing is that we are just watch movie to our entertainment, to make us very happy, not by like we are not here to follow the movie character. We are just watch the movie. So thank you, that's all.
Sir, you are talking about different movies. These movies are good, but today's generation, what they are doing, they don't want to watch such type of movies. They only want to do such type of movies. In these movies, they are following Western culture. In today's movies, we don't see Indian culture, we don't see traditions. We only see the Europe. We see the good image of America, and this is the reason our all youth, they want to go to the different countries for making money. But this is in not reality. This is not correct. There are a lot of, you will see in America, in Europe, there are a lot of poverty, but we don't see these things in today's movies.
So the truth is, we all are promoting the Animal movie. Why? Because Ranveer Kapoor is on trend. He is very good looking actor. That's why we all are promoting Animal movie. But no one promote the Raksha Bandhan movie and the 12th Fail movie. In the 12th Fail movie, we all are learned lots of the things. What's going on in the student life. We all are know about the struggle. What's the struggle of student life. So I think we all are need to promote these type of movies, not animal type of movies.
Ma'am, okay, it's a source of entertainment, but today's youth are rushing towards enjoyment. They don't entertain the useful things. They are just using some bad kinds of thing, like they are using a protagonist character. They told that powerful people come from powerful places, but they are exploiting the weaker person. They are just killing the weak person who are economically not strong. That's it.
Everyone says we should not watch the movie. How can say we should not watch the movie? By the help of a movie, now era every people make a Western culture, because now era every movie going on like a Pathan movie. So every people make a brand of Pathan. So that's it.
First of all, we should not watch the movie, any kind of thing movie, because nowadays a lot of the people watching this kind of movies, so that's why a lot of the people not focus the education. So that's why we should not watch this kind of movie. So it is a good for the, and we should focus on education. If any person focus on the education, so we can become a good person in future time. So that's why we should not watch this kind of movies.
Okay, so as your team in against of that, but first thing is that for the movies we are getting the content or as well as the education, which is most important for the student. Basically, the 12th fail, she is giving a very great example for 12th fail exam, because by the help of 12th fail movie, a lot of people come out from their depression, because in that time they was in a depression because of their they only think about that they are only the jobs or only the exam is there which decide their whole future. But in my terms, the future is decided by their own work, means how the consistency or how the work is you are doing over that. So by the help of that, the future is decided, not by the help of only a single piece of paper. Thank you so much.